A friend of mine sent me a flute that he had been working on that he had been having a lot of problems with, and he said he had a strong fundamental note, but when he put the rest of the finger holes in, it would quit playing. And I had him send me a picture of the nest area, and it had a lot of unevenness. I'll post, or I'll add a picture on here to what I found here for how it was not flat. And so when you tried to put some kind of a block on, there were air leaks and things like that. So I wasn't directing the air quite right. I also lowered the edge here of the true sound hole down just a little bit because it was very, very touchy on the fundamental note. I created a little bit more of a ramp coming out of the slow air chamber exit hole, and in effect made the flue slightly shorter. And now, with all the holes uncovered and just sticking a chunk of wood on here for a crude block with a rubber band. Oh, and I also cleaned up the leading edge of the true sound hole, this edge right here, where the flue ends, because that was pretty ragged looking also. And here's what it sounds like. Still needs a lot of tuning, things like that, to get it in tune correctly, but all good strong notes. And I'll be sending it back to him, and I think he's going to be a happy flute maker again. Glad I could help. Thanks for watching.